What if I told you that you can design your own graphic design software similar to Canva and Vista Create using no-code tools? A little bit more specifically, you will be using AI software development tools to be able to accomplish this. Today, I will show you how to do exactly this, how to build a Canva clone, or although it's going to be bare bones, using Lovable.dev, which is an AI software development tool that allows you to create software just by using prompts, similar to how you will do by using ChatGPT. We're going to be building the framework for this tool, and we're going to be building some of the basic features that you will find on Canva. Now, with that being said, I'm not going to build a full Canva replacement because that's not my goal. My goal is to show you what is possible. And hopefully from there, you can use it. I will also release this as a template, completely free, that you can use to be able to start your project, to use as a starting point. With that being said, that will save you some credits, some messages, if you will, by not having to start from the very beginning. Now, if you like my videos, I hope that you're getting value out of it and that is worth a like. So please consider hitting the like button down below, and that helps me reach more people. I want to spread the word. I want to help as many people as possible to discover these tools and to show what is possible. Also, if you don't mind subscribing, I would really appreciate it. If you're interested in my videos and you're watching this video, perhaps this is the kind of content that you would want in your YouTube feed. Lastly, if you are liking this kind of content and you want to learn more, I have a free newsletter. It's completely free, it comes out every Sunday, and there you're going to find some tutorials. You're going to find some people that are doing really nice stuff, typically on S. They are sharing their journey, and I would want to highlight them. Also, I would share all the updates and the new features that were released during that specific week. So if that's something that you're interested on, subscribe to my newsletter. The link will be down in the description below. With that being said, I will stop all advertisement right now because I know you're here to watch the tutorials and learn how to build a Canva replacement. So just consider doing those things that I talk about, and we will see where this takes us. Before we do anything, I want to be completely transparent with you. I use ChatGPT to give me the initial prompt for this project. So I thought, hey, I want to be a Canva clone to help designers create their social media posts, flyers, and other designs. I want to use Fabric.js for this. What else do I need? And it gave me an idea of exactly what I need. But I didn't stop there. What I did was I asked for the initial prompt for the AI system to start developing these. This is the initial bare bones. By the way, I will be using Supabase for the backend. So I gave an idea of exactly what I need, and it came up with the prompt that we will be using. I will not be using the developing steps just yet because I want Lovable to determine that for whatever it fits best. So with that being said, we're going to jump now into Lovable, and we're going to paste the prompt and we're going to see how it goes. And we finally made it to Lovable. What I'm going to do is that prompt that I mentioned that I got from ChatGPT, I will paste it here. No modifications whatsoever. And we're going to send it. We're going to see. We're going to see what it does. It gave me an error. I believe it has to do with the preview more than anything else. So we're going to let it work and see what happens. Typically, I haven't gotten that error before, so I don't know what the deal is. There might be high usage right now. So it's working, doing its thing. We're going to be using Fabric.js for this build, and we should have a fairly decent Canva clone using the prompt that we got from ChatGPT. It's running its code, it's spinning up a preview, and we're going to see how it does. So right now it's still working. And we are about to get, all right, so we got a Canva here. Okay. So So let's see. When I click this button here, so I can write in it. So let's see how it does. So it's working in the component. I don't see the element being added, so we'll see what it does. All right, so now we have a test element. So hello world. All right, it's there. I can move it around. Let's see. All right, so let's select this one. So when I click this button, a black square will show there in the Canva. So let's see what it does. All right. And now we get a resizable element. Now let's do the next one. And I have to say that this is really basic. But so let's copy the circle should appear in the Canva. And there is a whole lot of stuff that you can do. You can add other elements and other options. You can add functionality to upload images. There is a whole lot you can do. You can make it look a whole lot more like Canva or less like Canva. You can have your own design ideas. You have full flexibility into whatever it is that you want to do by using Lovable and Fabric.js. So it's still working. The preview should refresh in a moment and we should be able to. In fact, I want to do something, okay, with the code sandbox. I think the system itself is having the issues, not mine, because I have a different tab open and it's doing the same thing. So I might have picked a bad moment for this, but let's see what it does. Okay, the system is back up and running, so let's send this again. And let's see what happens. So right now it's thinking. All right, so let's try this. Okay, we can do it. So I can see the circle on the canvas. We're still thinking, so just give it a moment. So still working through it. Let's allow it to finish. All right, and as you can see, we have rendered a few elements in the canvas. Not all. The circle button is not working. And to be transparent with you, I don't want to spend all my messages trying to fix that issue when this is not a real project. But the other two elements are working correctly. You could add images, undo, redo, download. So all the features that you will need. I will leave a link to this project down below so you can continue working on it if this is something that you're trying to build. Otherwise, I really appreciate you taking your time and watching this video, being with me here today. I'm trying to build really amazing tutorials that are helpful to you. Again, this was a Lovable.dev integration with Frame Fabric.js, I'm sorry, that they pushed out last week. And I wanted to make a video because I think people would find this interesting, especially if you're trying to build some graphic design tools. If you like my videos, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I think that I'm putting great content out there and you will beneficiate from that. Otherwise, subscribe to the newsletter. It's free and it comes out every Sunday. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.